Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make these spider peanut butter cup cookies. Super easy recipe, and they look so cute, I don't even want to eat them. So keep watching and I'll show you step by step how to make these. Now here's what we need to make this recipe. We're going to need some peanut butter, we're going to need some sugar, one large egg, some mini Reese's peanut butter cups, and some chocolate to melt. That's all we need, so let's get started. Start off with a large bowl, and to that we're going to add 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 large egg. Now we just want to mix this until everything's well combined. Now get a baking sheet. You can either line it with parchment paper or you can have one of these baking mats. Either way it works great. And we're just going to get about a tablespoon worth at a time. Roll it up into a nice little ball. And plop it down. Now just take these, you want to put them in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. Now our cookies were in the oven for a little over 10 minutes. They're perfect just as they are, but we got to work fast, and this is where we add in our Reese's Minis. Just take them, you want to put them upside down right in the middle. You don't have to push too much. Now just let these cool down before we move on to the next step. So now what I've done was melt down some of our chocolate, and I'm going to put it into a piping bag. So at this stage I have these little mini eyeballs that I'm going to use, and if your Reese's is still warm, you could just stick them right on the front right now. Just find where your best part is, and you want to stick them sort of close to each other. Might help if you have tweezers. Now after your eyeballs are all stuck on there, I purposely left 2 off because I'm going to eat those just the way they are. What we got to do is draw the legs of our spiders. So I'm just going to I cut a very thin opening here with my chocolate, and we'll put 4 legs on each side. And just like most things, you want to start off with your worst ones because you get better as you do it. So start off with your worst ones and you'll get better. Well, now it's time for the taste test. I'm going to try out one of our little cute spider peanut butter cookies with the little Reese's on top. I love these cookies. I've had these many times, and not the spider ones, but you know, they're about the same. So I'm going to give it a try and see how it tastes. It's so good. Usually these remind me of Christmas time because that's when we bake these the most in my family. And usually you put a little Hershey Kiss on top, but this way tastes just as good. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make these spider peanut butter cup cookies. It was a lot of fun making these, and they're perfect for Halloween, perfect for parties. Pretty simple to do. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that big like button. Also hit that big red subscribe button. If you're not already subscribed, you get new videos all the time. And for the whole month of October, you'll get a video every single day, so be sure to check back tomorrow. For right now, check out some of the videos I have off to the side, as well as a Halloween playlist. And until then, I'll see you tomorrow.